Perform deployment for the single-phase PV plus ESS scenario plus Smart Dongle networking. Log in to the FusionSolar app. Tap Setup Wizard. Scan the QR code on the inverter connected to the Smart Dongle. Tap Log in. Set the grid code and time based on the region where the device is located. Communication networks include WLAN, mobile network, and wired network. For WLAN, select the WLAN and enter the password. For mobile network, tap the arrow on the right to set parameters. For wired network, tap the arrow on the right to set parameters. Device management. Check whether the detected devices are consistent with the actual connected devices. In the cascade scenario, tap plus to search for cascaded inverters. Parameter configuration. Set the ESS installation environment and working mode. This step is not required in scenarios without ESSs. System check. After this screen is displayed, the system automatically starts the check. Connection test needs to be triggered manually. Tap OK. Tap Add Plant. Set Plant Info. Set Add Devices. Configure electricity price settings. Finish site deployment.